Namaskar, dear learners. Today we are going to be talking about doing words in Assamese, which are also known as action words that describe what a person, animal, or thing is doing. These words signify physical actions, for example, walk, jump, speak, mental actions, for example, think, or states of being. Common examples include eat, drink, run, sleep, cook, sing, gargle, vomit, cough, yawn, sneeze, cry, laugh, play, see, hear, write, and read. Therefore, these words are also called verbs of bodily actions or movements. Dynamic verb is another term to refer to them. These are called action verbs or dynamic verbs because these describe physical or mental actions such as play, talk, laugh, shout, cry, and run. These are also called body verbs or bodily movement verbs or bodily function or reaction verbs, as these specifically describe involuntary or voluntary sounds and actions made by the body, such as cough, sneeze, snore, gargle, yawn, smile, burp, and vomit. Moreover, these are known as verbs of sensation or perception because words like see and hear are sometimes categorized under senses, though they are often grouped with action verbs in practical context. Many of these are also classified as intransitive verbs because they do not require a direct object to complete their meaning. For example, he sneezed and the baby cried. These are intransitive verbs performed by humans and animals. Let us now learn Assamese doing words. We will also learn how they occur in sentences. Ga dhua means bathe. Using it, we can make the sentence Moi ga dhulu. That means I have taken a bath. Moi ga dhulu. Next, we learn ugar mora, which means belch, as in he ugar marisil, which means he belched. He ugar marisil. Next, oha means come, as in tumi porohiloi ahiba, which means you will come the day after tomorrow. Tumi porohiloi ahiba. Then we learn randha means cook. Using it, we can make the sentence Moi randhibo jano, which means I know how to cook. Moi randhibo jano. Next doing word we learn is kaha means cough, as in teo dubar kahisil. That means he coughed 2 times or twice. Teo dubar kahisil. Now let's take the doing word konda means cry, as in nakandiba hokolu thik hoi jabo. Here nakandiba means don't cry and hokolu thik hoi jabo means everything will be fine. Nakandiba hokolu thik hoi jabo. The Assamese conjunct verb hos kora means defecate. Using it, we can make the sentence keswa tuwe hos korile, which means the baby defecated. Next, we learn hopun dekha means dream, as in মই আজি ৰাতি সপোন দেখিছিলোঁ, which means I had a dream tonight. মই আজি ৰাতি সপোন দেখিছিলোঁ. Next, let's learn another conjunct verb. পান কৰা means drink. Using it, we can make the sentence তাই ফলৰ ৰস পান কৰি আছে. That means she is drinking fruit juice. তাই ফলৰ ৰস পান কৰি আছে. Next, খোৱা means eat, as in আমি পনীৰ খাওঁ, which means we eat paneer. আমি পনীৰ খাওঁ. কুলু কুলু কৰা means gargle, as in চৰ্দি হ'লে মই গৰম পানীৰে কুলু কুলু কৰোঁ, which means I gargle with warm water when I have a cold. চৰ্দি হ'লে মই গৰম পানীৰে কুলু কুলু কৰোঁ. Then যোৱা means go. Using it, we can make the sentence he কাৰ্যালয়লৈ গ'ল, which means he has gone to the office. He কাৰ্যালয়লৈ গ'ল. Next, let's learn another doing word, that is শুনা, which means hear or listen, as in মই গান শুনি আছিলোঁ. That means I was listening to music. মই গান শুনি আছিলোঁ. Another conjunct verb is হিকটি মৰা, which means hiccup, as in তেওঁ হিকটি মাৰি আছে, which means he is hiccuping. তেওঁ হিকটি মাৰি আছে. Then ভোক লগা, which means become hungry. Using it, we can make the sentence মোৰ এতিয়া ভোক লাগিছে, which means I'm hungry now. মোৰ এতিয়া ভোক লাগিছে. The doing verb জাপ মৰা means jump, as in কুকুৰটোৱে চকীখনৰ ওপৰেৰে জঁপিয়াইছিল. That means the dog jumped over the chair. কুকুৰটোৱে চকীখনৰ ওপৰেৰে জঁপিয়াইছিল. Next, we learn the doing word হহা or হাঁহি দিয়া means laugh or smile, as in দোকানী গৰাকীয়ে মোৰ ফালে চাই হাঁহি দিছিল, which means the shopkeeper looked at me and smiled. দোকানী গৰাকীয়ে মোৰ ফালে চাই হাঁহি দিছিল. Next, খেলা means play. Using it, we can make the sentence আজি সন্ধিয়া আমি ফুটবল খেলিম. That means we will play football this evening. আজি সন্ধিয়া আমি ফুটবল খেলিম. Then পঢ়া means read, as in মই উপন্যাস পঢ়ো, which means I read novels. মই উপন্যাস পঢ়ো. Another doing word in Assamese is দৌৰা, means run, as in দৌৰি আহক, which means come running. দৌৰি আহক. Next, we learn চোৱা means see or look or watch, as in মই ক্ৰিকেট খেল চাই ভাল পাওঁ, which means I like watching cricket. মই ক্ৰিকেট খেল চাই ভাল পাওঁ. We can take another doing verb চিঞৰা, which means shout or scream. Using it, we can make the sentence সি ভয়ত চিঞৰিছিল. That means he screamed in fear. সি ভয়ত চিঞৰিছিল. Another beautiful doing word is গোৱা, means sing, as in তেওঁ গান গায়. That means he sings. তেওঁ গান গায়. Let's now learn a very important word, boha, means sit, as in ইয়াত বহক, which means sit here. ইয়াত বহক. Another doing verb is hua, means sleep. Using it, we can make the sentence etia hubo lagibo, which means have to sleep now. Etia hubo lagibo. One of the verbs of senses is khunga, which means smell or sniff at. Using it, we can make the sentence khungi swasun, which means smell it to check. Khungi swasun. The doing word that irritates everyone is hasi mora, means sneeze, as in he hogonai hasiai ase, which means he is sneezing frequently. He hogonai hasiai ase. Another irritating verb is nak ghurghura, means snore, as in he bahut nak ghurghurai. That means he snores a lot. He bahut nak ghurghurai. The innate property of humans is to speak. The verb kua means say or speak. Using it, we can make the sentence apuni ki kole. That means, what did you say? Apuni ki kole. Then thio hua means stand, as in moi thio hom. That means I will stand. Moi thio hom. What happens when it is very hot? We sweat, don't we? The Assamese verb gham ula means sweat, as in mur bahut gham ulaise, which means I'm sweating a lot. Mur bahut gham ulaise. Another Assamese doing word is kotha pata, means talk. It can be used in the sentence kotha patu ahok, which means let's talk. Kotha patu ahok. The compound conjunct verb piah loga means become thirsty, as in mur piah lagise, which means I am feeling thirsty. Mur piah lagise. The mental action verb bhoba means think. Using it, we can make the sentence ki bhabi ase. That means, what are you thinking? Ki bhabi ase. Next, prosrab kora, which means urinate, as in prosrab kori ahu. That literally means I will urinate and come. Prosrab kori ahu. Now let us take bomi kora, means vomit, as in rugie bomi korise, which means the patient is vomiting. Rugie bomi korise. Again, we learned a compound conjunct verb harpoa, means wake up, as in moi ratipua 5:30 bajat har pao, which means I wake up at 5:30 a.m. Moi ratipua 5:30 bajat har pao. The Assamese doing word khus korha means walk, which can be used in the sentence hodai ratipua 1 ghonta khus karhibo lage, which means always walk for an hour in the morning. Hodai ratipua 1 ghonta khus karhibo lage. Then likha means write, as in tai কর্তৃপক্ষলৈ এখন চিঠি লিখিছিল, which means she wrote a letter to the authorities. তাই কর্তৃপক্ষলৈ এখন চিঠি লিখিছিল. Finally, let us learn the word hamiwa, which means yawn. It can be used in the sentence তেওঁ হামিয়াই আছে. That means he is yawning. তেওঁ হামিয়াই আছে. So, now we know the doing words in Assamese and how to use them in speeches. Let's quickly go through the words once again. Oha means come. Ugar mora. Ugar mora means belch. Kotha pata means talk. Konda means cry. Kaha means cough. Kulu kulu kora means gargle. Kua, which means say or speak. Khela means play. Khus korha means walk. Khua means eat. Ga dhua means bathe. Gua means sing. Gham ula means sweat. Shiora means shout or scream. Sua means see or look or watch. Zap mora means jump. Thio hua means stand. Doura means run. Nakere ghorghora means snore. Porha means read. Pan kora means drink. Piah loga means become thirsty. Prosrab kora means urinate. Bomi kora means vomit. Boha means sit. Bhoba means think. Bhuk loga means become hungry. Jua means go. Randha means cook. Likha means write. Khunga means smell or sniff at. Khuna, which means hear or listen. Hua means sleep. Huskora means defecate. Hopun dekha means dream. Harpua means wake up. Hasi mora means sneeze. Hamiwa means yawn. Hoha or hahimora means laugh or smile. And hikoti mora means hiccup. So, we have learned most of the Assamese doing words in this lesson. As you can observe, we have come across both simple and compound verbs in this lesson. Please practice using the doing words regularly to improve your communication skills in Assamese. Please look after nature and it will look after everyone. Dhanyabad.